Hello and welcome back to your daily dose of .NET. Today we're going to be answering the question, what is dependency injection? To do that, let's first understand what both of those terms mean. So what is a dependency? Well, a dependency in programming terms is an object that is an instance of a class that another object depends on. Let's look at an example to understand what that means better. Here on the left, we have a simple class named audio player with a single method named play. And on the right, we have another class named media engine that has a private read-only field that holds an instance of the audio player class and calls its play method in the initialize method. From this example, we can see that the media engine class depends on the audio player class to function. Thus, we can say that the audio player class is a dependency. Now that we understand what a dependency is, let's tackle the second part of the phrase, injection. In general terms, to inject simply means to introduce something new or different into another thing. Similarly, dependency injection involves having the dependencies that a class needs introduced or supplied to it by an external entity, usually called a service container. So, how does our previous example look when dependency injection is used? Well, in this new implementation of the audio player class, you can see that it now implements an interface called iAudioPlayer, which defines the play method. As for the media engine class, you can see that instead of creating a new instance of the audio player class and assigning it to a read-only field, the constructor now requests an iAudioPlayer instance, which is then assigned to the field and used to call the play method. Behind the scenes, the concrete implementation of the iAudioPlayer interface is created and injected into the media engine class by the dependency injection container. So what is dependency injection? Based on what we've learned, we can define it as a programming technique that involves using a service container to inject dependencies into a class that needs them. In a future episode, we'll look at what the benefits of using dependency injection are and how it's implemented behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.